Spreadsheets are a great way to organize data, especially when you collect it from a Google form. However, sometimes the amount of data can be a little overwhelming and thus making it a little hard to interpret. So let's look at some ways that you can organize the data in a spreadsheet. First of all, quick tip, this blank rectangle that you see in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, it is to the left of the columns and above the row numbers. When you click on that, that is actually the select all, and it will select all of the data on your entire spreadsheet. One tool that's available for organizing on your spreadsheet is something called a filter. And it looks like this funnel on your spreadsheet. And when you point to it, it says create a filter. So I'm going to select the button. Not only does it turn the funnel green, but it also turns the row and column labels green as well. In addition, for each column, it adds what looks like a little tornado button at the top of each particular column. So let's say, for example, in this spreadsheet, I wanted to sort by homeroom teacher. So I'm going to select that little tornado button. And not only can I sort, but I can filter. And if you go towards the bottom, this is going to show you every possible alternative that was entered into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to remove all the check marks, and I want to sort by Mr. Brown. So I'm going to just select Mr. Brown from here. And then if I scroll down, I'll see the OK. And when I click, then only Mr. Brown's homeroom is showing on this particular spreadsheet. Now, it didn't delete the remaining data. It's just filtering them for right now. And if I wanted to filter this down even more, let's say I wanted to filter by this choice, I could click on the funnel on here. I would again go to clear to select all of the check marks. And then if I wanted to sort by finance, I could select it and scroll down and click OK. And then it would show me specifically who in Mr. Brown's homeroom chose finance for this particular column. Please note that as you make these changes to a spreadsheet, if it's shared, which is one of the beauties of Google Spreadsheets, those looking at that particular tab at the exact same time are seeing this filter in place as well. So let's say I wanted to save this filter view so I could come back to it again at another time. If I go up to the filter button and choose the drop-down triangle next to it, there is a Save As filter view. And when I click on it, this black will appear. In the upper left-hand corner, it's going to allow me to put in a name. So when I do that, this particular filter will be saved under that name. I can again go up to this filter view and I can say that I want none, so I can take that off. And then if I want to turn the entire filter off, I can just click on the green funnel and it brings all of my data back. So what's nice, as I go through here, you can see I have some other filter views that are actually saved. And so if I choose this, this is going to show me that particular data. Now, one thing that's different with a filter view than a just plain filter is that I can be in this particular view and someone else on the same spreadsheet would not be seeing this same view. So I'm not changing it for them. So filters and filter views are a great way to arrange data in a spreadsheet.